Paper bales are opened and loose paper bundles or bales are fed into the pulper through slat conveyor. D-type hydropulper is more suitable for pulping oak, commercial waste paper continuously or intermittently. Volex-type rotors strengthen hydraulic action and disintegrate fiber more effectively. In D-shape, vat turbulence is intensified so that the paper bundles are quickly soaked into the liquid. Hence it can shorten the slashing time, reduce energy consumption and increase the capacity. Ragger is mounted above pulper. It works together with the hydropulper and twist all light impurities such as wires, plastics, cotton yarns etc. into a strand and take them out from the pulper. Grapple is used to remove impurities in trash well during continuous pulping. Application of ragger and grapple effectively reduce abrasion to impeller and screen plate of the pulper. From pulper, the slushed stock is passed through trash well to hydropurger. In trash well, due to sudden expansion of chute, heavy impurities like metal pieces, stones, sand etc. settle down and intermittently removed by auto-operated pneumatic valves. Hydropurger combines the function fiber disintegration and separation of light and heavy impurities. From hydropurger, light reject are passed to trommel screen through its vent line. Trommel screen is used with the hydropurger system to screen out impurities, such as plastics, rubber, stones etc. and improves the efficiency of process. Recovered stock is taken back into pulper. From pulper and hydropurger, the pulp stock accept is taken into dump chest through pump. There are impurities contained in stock and now the stock is passed through high consistency cleaners. Here feeding pipe with certain inclination angle will form a strong force vortex flow to separate heavy impurities such as sand, pebbles, iron clips etc. effectively. Again, pulp stock after high consistency cleaners is passed through a primary hole screen. Stock passes through holes, rejects are collected in a tank and through pump fed to secondary cause screen turbo separator. As secondary cause screen, it has three fundamental functions: secondary defibrating, separating light impurities and removal of heavy and coarse impurities. This equipment helps to obtain high quality stock, reduce fiber loss and increase screening efficiency. Accept of primary and secondary cause screen are taken into chest for further process. Rejects from secondary screen are received in SR box situated at height to maintain constant head supply to reject separator. Separator screen is gravity feed equipment at floor level and efficiently separates the impurities like plastic and thermocol pieces, stickies etc. The recovered stock is taken back in process. Now stock from chest is pumped to 4-stage mid-density 1.5 to 2.0% consistency centric cleaners. Accepts of primary cleaners forwarded to fractionating pressure screen and rejects are handled in remaining stages. Accepts of secondary and tertiary taken back in system and reject of 4th stage are drained. Fiber fractionating screen is further used for separate long and short fibers in stock. Special rotor structure ensures good fiber fractionating effect through slotted basket. Now pulp stock is separated in two streets, one is long fiber street and second is short fiber street. Long fiber street. Long fiber stock is passed to low density primary pressure screen. Rejects are handled in secondary through tank and pulp, and rejects of secondary are further processed to reject slot Diablo screen. Accepts of all screens are taken forward in further process and reject of Diablo is drained. Diablo reject screen operates on auto system with pneumatic valve and very efficiently separates the rejects. Stock further tied to disc filter. It is mainly used for washing and thickening pulp. Low consistency pulp of 3 to 4% consistency is fed into vat and 8 to 10% discharged out. This equipment needs less space and gives high efficiency. Its filtration area is large, hence filtrating large amount of white water with very low consistency. From disc filter, the pulp stock is taken into screen press for further thickening up to 30% consistency in line plug screw, shredder, heating screw, and finally it is passed through disperser. It reduces the impurities to non-visible particles and very smooth pulp is discharged to chest. The thickened pulp is taken into a chest of and pumped further for refining with low-intensity double-disc refiner. The refined pulp stock is taken into chest. This pulp is further processed through chest is pumped to approach flow pressure screen. This suitable screen with slotted basket for removal of the adhesive materials. Multi-foil rotor avoids stock thickening and constant pulsing frequency is maintained. The stock is fed to machine head box. Short fiber straight. Pulp stock of short fiber from fractionating pressure screen is forwarded to disc thickener. The stock is washed and thickened to required consistency of 4 to 6%. The thickened pulp is taken into a chest of and pumped further for refining with low-intensity double-disc refiner. As the fiber is short, the refining needs gentle power treatment. The refined pulp stock is taken into chest. This pulp is further processed through approach flow screen with required size of slotted basket to remove adhesive. Screen except with smooth and constant flow is delivered to machine head box.